Simple plant-based Japanese pickle recipe. I'm also introducing 2 ways to enjoy at the end, so stay tuned. Just a head note, on my web I have over 180 Japanese noodle recipes including today's pickle. Please take a look and let me know what you think. I'm leaving the link in the description box below. I have a komatsuna leaf, also known as Japanese mustard spinach. This is very popular leafy greens in Japan. You might be able to find it in Asian supermarkets. But if not, then you can use bok choy, and Chinese cabbage will work as a substitution. Wash it underneath some water just to remove the dirt that tends to get caught between the stalks. I should have cut the base before I wash it. Then separate the top and bottom. Remove the string running at the bottom part. It tends to be a little fibrous to eat, but if you don't have time, this step is optional, but brings you to the next level. Soak them into the water for about 10 minutes to remove the bitterness. Then drain the water. Transfer them into a zip bag. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and massage it until it starts to sweat. The other day on Instagram stories, I asked you guys to collect the English name of dried chili flakes. You guys were so sweet to respond to that, so thank you very much if some of you are watching this video. If you guys haven't followed my Instagram, be sure to follow me at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. I'm testing many recipes and sometimes do a giveaway there. At this point, vacuum the air and zip the opening completely. Put something heavy on top of it and leave it for 30 minutes. I only had these cans, but if you have a salt pack or anything more stable, that will stay better. And after 30 minutes, lots of water came out. Cut the corner of the zip bag and squeeze the moisture which has been extracted from komatsuna leaf. I have 2 more Japanese pickle recipe videos. I put them in the description box below. One with the Chinese cabbage and the other one with the daikon radish. Transfer them into new zip bag. Now we're gonna season the komatsuna leaf. The key seasoning is kombucha. This is my first time using it in my channel. I wanted to introduce something new for you guys. Add 1 teaspoon of kombucha and red chili flakes for the preservation. Massage until it's well seasoned. Kombucha is basically a mixture of kombu powder and other seasoning like salt and sugar. We usually dilute it with the hot water and just drink it. I put the shop link in the description box below. Zip it, then pop them into the fridge for another 2 hours. It will last for 1 week. The longer it sits, the stronger it tastes. Still very crunchy. It's not too salty, but you can taste a little bit of bitterness from the komatsuna leaf, followed by the deep umami flavor of kombucha. Let me quickly show you how I arrange this into meals. First one is komatsuna onigiri. Chop pickles finely. Then mixed with cooked sticky sushi rice. I also have a how to make sticky rice in a separate video, so go check it out if it's needed. Then drizzle some toasted sesame oil, then mix them. Place mixed rice on the plastic wrap and close it up. Make a mountain shape. Open the wrap and fix the shape if it's needed. And your onigiri is ready. The second one is Ochazuke, which is basically a rice in a soup. We love to enjoy it in a cold winter as breakfast. Again, I have a steamed rice followed by kombu dashi powder. You can also use kombucha as well. I always eyeball it but put way too much this time. Top komatsuna pickle and sprinkle some toasted sesame seed. Then pour hot water. Then drizzle some soy sauce for the aroma. To me, this is very comforting. I hope you will give it a try and share with your friends and families. I can't believe my channel hit 2,000 subscribers. It's all because of your support, and thank you so much for your like and kind comments. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. またね